Are you ready to face the giant?
Yes.
Why?
Because we want to have an idea about what the corporate world is.
I got
prepared.
Oh.
You know, guys.
Pwede namin tayo lagay sa
Ay!
teaser.
What?
Lalagyan namin sa teaser.
No, what's that?
Are you ready? Oo nga, magpaano tayo? Pasagot tayo, no? Are you ready to face the giant?
Yes, I am. No, muna. I'm not yet prepared. Dapat ganun.
Okay.
Scripted
Okay, ulit.
pala.
Okay, take 2. Are you ready to face?
Makita yung mukha mo, sawa-sawa. Hello, paleho.
Ang nakakadiri ako. Action.
Nadidiri ako sa sarili ko. Buti alam mo.
Recorded pa rin to.
Oh my
Okay.
gosh.
Action. Are you ready to face the giant? No? So,
I think I'm not yet prepared.
so what are you going to do to be prepared?
I think I want to attend in the seminar, Facing the Giant, a preparation in entering the corporate world. So, I think this is the best way. So, I will be prepared. Back to studio.
Yung effort nito.
Ikaw.
Para magtotong. Ikaw.
Jamila, ikaw naman. Are you ready to face the giant?
No, not yet.
Music from you.
Are you ready?
Talagang may... Ano yan, ilalagay
Are you ready po? Baka.
Oy, baka daw may lagay yan.
Frankly speaking, oh my gosh.
Ganito pala yung mga organizer, no?
Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. What? Why?
Salita ka pa, sige.
Why? Ay, paano kaya? Are you ready to face the giant, miss? Bigay ko na sa'yo yung I'm already facing the giant.
Wow!
How about you guys?
Wow!
Are you ready to face the giant?
I've already tackled all the giants.
You tackle?
I have already encountered the
Tackle? How many
giants.
tackle? 1 kilo?
Ikaw.
Ito mga giant eh, alam mo eh.
Okay, guys. Good work.
Will you promote? Okay, Pangilinan. Anthony Pangilinan. Sabihin niyo pupunta yung mga speaker. Yeah, hello everyone.
Ano ulit?
Sabihin mo yung seminar kung kailan, kung saan, tapos kung sino yung
Hoy, pag
mga...
lumabas ako umanda ka sa akin.
Uy, wag mo akong ilabas.
Hindi na ilalabas. Parang sa atin lang.
Hello everyone! Come and join us.
Regalo
We're going to
ka
have
dyan,
our seminar Facing the Giant at Bulwagang Balagtas and in LLRC, Polytechnic
Hindi siya nabuloy.
University of the Philippines, March 4, 2013, 1 to 5 p.m. We're having three speakers, Anthony Pangilinan, Joey Concepcion, and Marvin Gementiza. Yes. So, free admission. So, admission is free. And we have lots of food. Dapat ganun-ganon.
Oo, yung kahit sino.
Oo, yung...
Sige,
May
okay,
tweet.
take 2.
Okay,
Umpisahan mo.
Ako naman.
Hello.
Hello.
Script na talaga.
Everyone.
Paano kunyari, hello everyone, tapos isa, welcome.
Ano yan? Hindi, post mo para maganda yun.
Hindi kasi siya napopost eh, pwede i-edit na lang, cut.
Oo, tama.
Tuloy-tuloy ito, simula sa interview
Hello
niya.
everyone. Ano? Tapos,
Yung pa-cute. Tapos sabihin mo, ano, please,
Oh my
ano.
gosh. Parang wala akong ganun Hello everyone.
Yun lang yun.
Annyeonghaseyo! Annyeonghaseyo! I love you, Jusyo! Annyeonghaseyo! Ang sabi na!
Che, ito para sa'yo!
Annyeonghaseyo! Gan din akin!
Nangyari na yan, ganyan.
Ito para sa'yo! Gago di ako yun, no?
Sabi mo, bukas!
Ito pa.
Bukas pag nakapit. Hindi, bukas pag magpapakita.
Oo, nakakita.
Anyong inyo? Nalagay tayo kay sir! Magpapapirma ulit tayo nung doon. Oo, sinabi ko kay sir. Ay, ganito sa akin
Apa, everyone.
Yung permit, I'm inviting you guys to attend our seminar entitled...
Okay, guys, tapos na ang photoshoot. Tara, go, go.
Facing the
Sabi kay
giant.
Jess,
Ano yung oras?
ng umaga.
Gusto ko solo.
Impromptu? Yes, it's impromptu.
Ayaw. p.m. to 5 p.m.
Gagawin namin sa buhay
Speaker,
namin, 11 to
speaker sa'yo. Oh, dali, sponsor.
Sogo. Sponsored by Manila
Oo,
Sponsor.
kaya kami
Amen! Veritan! Play!
Anya sa'yo.
Madali, speaker.
Our speakers, we have 3 speakers.
Speakers! Speakers! Speakers lang pala eh. Marami lang tayong speakers.
Joey Concepcion, siyang CEO and President ng RFM Corporation.
Next.
Then we have other one, si Mr. Anthony
Other woman.
Pangilinan. Siya ang President and CEO ng Training and Events Business Works Incorporated. And siya yung host ng Radyo 5. Magbago tayo, 8 a.m.
Okay,
Then we have one very young, si Mr. Marvin Gementiza. Siya ay very young professional and from UP Las Bañas siya. Ayun. See you there! Ayoko!
Oy, sino pa?
Ay, dapat script
Hello.
ako nga, scripted. Ganito, sa akin yung...
Sponsored by Manila Bulletin.
Entitled, kasi ikaw yung Facing the Giants, a preparation in entering the corporate world. At, Bulwagang Balagtas, ganon. O, akin yung speaker. Oo, bawal nang tumingin ha. Sa'yo yung Bulwagang Balagtas. Sponsored eh.
Ay, gusto niya talaga ganito yung teaser natin.
Hindi. Wala lang pang...
Wala, trip lang to.
natin. Para ma-motivate. Sabihin mo ha, at Bulwagang Balagtas, NALL...
Basahin mo na lang siya.
At mabini ko... Ay, hindi. Dapat po mong babasahin. NALLRC, Polytechnic University of the Philippines. Santa Mesa.
Itim niya agad. Sabi ko,
Our media partner sa Our media partner.
So, are you ready to face the giant?
Not yet.
Okay, he's speechless.
Game ulitin natin ha. Game.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, action.
Hello everyone. I'm...
Okay, take.
Sa'yo.
Okay, 1. Okay. Action.
Hello everyone. I'm inviting you guys to attend our seminar entitled Facing the Giant.
Preparation.
A preparation in entering the corporate world. At Bulwagang Balagtas, NALLRC, Polytechnic University of the Philippines.
Sponsored by Manila Bulletin, Camera World, Burlington, Pepsi Cola, Nestle, Sago Hotel, Parent Wall, and Granton World. And many more.
Many more like?
Like Jollibee and Silverworks. Yun lang.
Hindi mo magpa-perform ka.
Sa Kindly follow us on Facebook and...
Facebook! Tuloy-tuloy na eh!
Alam ko baka
Edit mo na lang. Wala na tuloy-tuloy nga daw eh.
Hawakan mo pa rin dala kapag binato ko yung... Kindly like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter.
Okay, speakers. Meron na eh.
So we have
Cut na lang.
We have 3 speakers. We invited 3 speakers. The first speaker we invited is Mr. Joey Concepcion, the CEO and President of RFM Corporation, and the other one is Mr. Anthony Pangilinan, the host of TV5, Radyo 5, Magbago Tayo. Then, we also have other speaker, young professional. He is Mr. Marvin Gementiza. Admission is free, guys! See you there!
Padali lahat kayo. See you there.
Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Thank you! Face the giant.
Sige, 1, 2, 3. Are you ready to face the giant?
Are you ready?